Hey guys, it's Dylan, and right behind me is Hurricane Irma. Now, it hasn't hit us yet in full force. I'm in Central Florida. It's about 1 p.m. on Sunday, and I'm a little bit more toward the east of I-4. But as you can see, it's starting. We've been getting rain all last night and this morning, and it's gonna get worse. It's gonna hit us most around 2 a.m. tonight. And of course, me being a sound guy, I'm gonna take full advantage and record this. I've got with me my Rode NTG3 with the full dead cat and Rode blimp system and all that, and going straight into my trusty Tascam DR40. And I might be recording in 4-channel mode the whole time because I'm gonna be using the onboard mics in stereo, the shotgun, of course, and my Sennheiser wireless pack for my vocals as I'm talking to you. Now, during the recording, I'm obviously not gonna be talking. I'm a sound guy, and I don't want that. I want nice, clean audio. But let's get started. Right now, it's just pretty much rain and wind. So let's get some sounds of that. I'm gonna go out every few hours or so as it gets worse and worse, and let you guys hear it. So let's go. Okay guys, so that really wasn't that impressive because there's really no wind going on, and the AC noises are going on as well, which both thankful and both good and not good, because bad because it disrupts the recordings, good because that means you still have power, so you can't complain about that. Yes, I'm hunched over because this tripod doesn't go high enough, sorry. But I'll keep recording as it goes on. That was just a shotgun mic. I'm going to move on to stereo. Starting to get a little windy now, but I'll come back out every now and then. I'll give you a time update as I do to keep you updated with what's going on with Irma. Alright guys, it's Sunday around 2 p.m. now. Now I'm not using the lav, I'm not using shotgun, just whatever mic I have in my hand I'm going to use for simplicity's sake and to maintain batteries, because if power does go out, I'm going to need batteries for other things, not just recorders. As you can see, it's picked up a little bit. We are going to be getting a lull in the storm soon. There's going to be some downtime where it's going to be light rain, and then it's going to pick up again around 4 o'clock is when we're going to start feeling the brunt of the storm, and it's just going to get stronger from there as the night goes on. So let's take a listen. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little bit more recording. I'll be back with you later on. Alright guys, it's Sunday, it's about 6:15. We picked up a little bit more wind, so I figured I'd come outside and do a little bit more recording. Looks like it's downgrading for us though, I'm thankful. But let's record what we can. Let's see if we get some more wind. It looks like it might have just stopped now, just as I come out here with the camera. But let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so that's with the current winds as they are now, picking up a little bit. The rain has calmed down a little bit. The rain definitely calmed down after that last video I made. Alright guys, I know it's hard to see right now, but the winds are definitely picking up. We're starting to get some lightning. I'm getting wet right now. We haven't lost power yet, but like I said, the lights are starting to flicker. But winds are definitely picking up, so let's record some sounds. All right, so there you have it, guys. Winds are definitely starting to pick up. Lights are flickering. We got some thunder and lightning going on here. I'm going to put you guys inside, and I'm going to swap over to the task cam and do some stereo recording now. All right, guys, it's about 10 p.m. Now, I just got back inside, so I'm a little wet, but I did some recording. The wind's really starting to pick up. So is the rain. The lights are really starting to flicker. The power isn't quite sure what it wants to do yet. Like I said, I didn't bring the camera out there because I'm trying to limit what gear gets wet. My audio stuff is soaked, but thankfully it's still holding up. This DR40 Tascam, you did a fantastic job of making sure your stuff is hurricane proof. Rode, you guys are awesome too, but I mean, with the dead cat and the blimp, it's going to be a while before the water actually gets to the mic. But the DR40 is taking direct impacts, not the mics themselves because I got the little dead cat on there, but the recorder itself is taking a beating and it's doing just fine. So again, excuse the fact that I'm hunched over. This tripod doesn't get as high as I want it to. But yeah, so like I said, I didn't bring the camera out there, but I did get some recordings. Let's take a listen to what I got. All right, guys, it's 12:30, technically Monday now, 12:30 a.m. The wind is still going. The rain isn't as much. It's going back and forth between picking up and dying down. The northeast quadrant of the storm has passed us, or is just about to finish passing us. The eye is actually coming pretty soon, but directly to the east of the eye, it's really not that much. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna call it quits. I'm heading to bed for tonight. If anything different or unique happens or anything, I'll be sure to bring you guys along with me, even though you're all seeing this in one video anyway. So that's all I have for tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll see what's going on outside, see if there's any more wind, any more rain. It's definitely going to be rainy, but we'll see how it goes. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. I'm going to say I'll see you in the next video, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to continue this one into tomorrow, or technically later today. So anyway, peace out, guys. I'm off to bed. And ready for morning? Ready? Hey guys, good morning. Did you miss me? Did you sleep well? Okay, so the rain stopped. The wind has pretty much died down. We're at the tail end of the storm. There's still enough wind for me to do a little bit more recording, and I'm going to, but first let's walk around, do a damage report, and see what Irma did. I normally walk over this, but got a pile of stuff here. Lots of stuff in the roadway. By the way, during that whole thing, I only really lost power once, and that was while I was asleep. The beep of things coming back up woke me up, but I didn't lose power. It flickered a little bit, but I didn't really lose anything, so that was pretty good. All right, let's go check on the cars, because those are my babies. All right, the Torino's full of leaves, but so far so good. All right, she's dirty and full of leaves, but I think she made it. Oh. I'm really not sure how a pile of stuff ended up near my car. I hope she's not scratched up. I won't know until I dry her off and wash her off, but she seems okay, just dirty. But she lived, so let's continue checking out this damage. Okay, for some of the companies I work for, I spent 36 hours straight prepping for hurricanes, tearing down stuff and setting stuff up. Physical, manual labor for 36 hours straight. I finally got home at one point and I was about to go to sleep, and my neighbor knocks on my door and she's like, "Can you help me put my car cover on my car?" I'm thinking, that's gonna blow away when the hurricane hits. There's no way it's gonna stay on the car. Sure enough, it blew away and didn't stay in the car. It's actually still pretty windy right now. So there you have it, guys. Those were the sights and sounds of Hurricane Irma 2017 from Central Florida. As you can see, it's dying down now. Still have a little bit of wind. I don't think any more rain is coming yet, but we'll see as time goes on. If you like this, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check us out on Facebook and Twitter for some exclusive content coming up. I'm going to go eat breakfast, then I'm going to start clearing branches and be a good neighbor. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you were all safe during the hurricane. I know a lot of people got damaged more severely than we did here. Here it really wasn't much, but some downed branches and leaves and some wind. Only lost power once, and that was at night while I was sleeping. Like I said, I know a lot of people were far worse off, and my thoughts and prayers are with you. And I hope that everything recovers soon. Hope nobody was injured. It was all just things that were insured and can be replaced. Again, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.